Hi there, Jack here from Cardiff Met International, and in this video I'm going to give you an update about what is happening to the Tier 4 student visa and the new student visa route that is being introduced for international students coming to study in the UK. Welcome to my latest video on student visas for study in the UK. If you haven't watched any of my videos before, my name is Jack and I'm part of the international team here at Cardiff Metropolitan University in the UK. I'm currently on a mission to help international students better understand the UK university system. Now, if you've done any research into studying in the UK before, you've almost certainly heard of the Tier 4 student visa. This has been the name of the visa required by international students coming to study in the UK at degree level or above. However, as of this autumn, the Tier 4 student visa route has officially ended. There will be no more Tier 4 visas issued. The time of the Tier 4 visa is over. But there is no need to panic because there is a new visa route for international students coming to the UK simply called a student visa. Arguably a much more sensible name than Tier 4 visa. The UK government are calling the new student route an improved student visa which falls under the UK's new point-based immigration system. It makes for a more streamlined experience for students applying to study in the UK. The government has also said there will be no limit on the number of international students who can come to study in the UK with the new student visa. It has also been aligned with the graduate route visa, also known as the post-study work visa, being introduced in summer 2021. You can check out my update videos about the new PSW for more information about this. So, now that we know there is a new visa for international students coming to study in the UK, we need to know the requirements. In this video, I'll be providing a basic overview of the visa requirements. However, I'll be working on a more detailed video about how to apply for the visa soon. As part of the new points-based immigration system, students applying for the new student visa route will need to be awarded a total of 70 points to be approved. This may seem like a lot, however, the points are awarded in 3 simple areas. 50 points for meeting the study requirements, 10 points for meeting the financial requirements, and 10 points for meeting the English language requirements. What this means in simple terms is that you'll need to demonstrate that you have an offer from an approved educational institution, that you're able to support yourself during your studies in the UK, and that you are able to communicate and study in English. For the study requirement, you will need to have an unconditional offer on a course with an approved educational institution. To prove this, your university will send you a reference number called a Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies, or CAS, once they've offered you a place on the course. Your course must either be at degree level or above, such as a bachelor's or master's degree, or a foundation course with at least 15 hours a week of organised daytime study. You can also apply to study an English language course at level B2 or above. For the financial requirement, you must have enough money to pay for your course and to support yourself in the UK. Exactly how much money you need depends on your circumstances and what you are applying for. First, you need to have enough money to pay for your course for 1 academic year. The amount you need to pay will be on your Confirmation of Acceptance for Studies. Secondly, you'll need to show you have enough money to support yourself. As of autumn 2020, students studying courses outside of London will need to show £1,015 per month for up to 9 months. Students studying courses taught in London will need to show £1,265 per month for up to 9 months. You must have this money for at least 28 consecutive days before applying for your visa. The funds must be held in account belonging to you, your partner who is coming to the UK with you, a parent or legal guardian. For the English language requirement, you'll need to prove your knowledge of the English language. In most cases, this will be a requirement of your university application, so you won't need to do this separately for your visa application. You must prove you can read, write, speak and understand English to a certain level on the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages scale. Students studying at degree level or above will need to demonstrate B2 level, equivalent to an IELTS of 6.0. Students studying at below degree level will need to demonstrate B1 level, equivalent to an IELTS of 4.5. In many cases, students will demonstrate their level of English by passing a secure English language test, but there are alternate methods depending on the university and course you are applying to. You can learn more about this in my video on English language requirements for study in the UK. So to summarise, you'll need a place on a course, money to support yourself, and some English language knowledge. All things that will not only allow you to get a student visa, but will be essential for your plans to come and study in the UK. So there we have it. I hope you now understand the new student visa route a little bit better. There are lots of exceptions and special cases that I haven't mentioned in this video, so it's worth checking out the UK government's website for the full details. As always, it's important to remember that visa regulations can change at any time and that individual circumstances may be relevant. Make sure to follow public announcements for any future changes. Please do give me a like if this has been helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click on the bell and select all to receive notifications. But for now, thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll welcome you to Cardiff Met one day soon. Bye bye.